This new research shows how exercise can grow new brain cells, and it's data that's just come out in the last couple of years. I'm Dr. Austin Perlmutter. If you care about your brain, make sure you're following this channel. Exercise may be the most powerful way that we can help to grow new brain cells, especially in the hippocampus or the memory center of our brains over our lifetimes. But how does that happen? Well, key pathways involved include the immune system, specifically modulating inflammation, metabolism, as well as neuroplasticity. But now several studies in animal models have shown that there's a little bit of nuance to this that we never understood. The first of these studies shows that when we take plasma, or basically blood from animals who have exercised, and put it into animals who have not exercised, it actually can help to increase the growth of new brain cells. But what is in that blood that's actually carrying the signal? A study that just came out in 2025 showed that extracellular vesicles, or EVs, these are basically a composite of fats and proteins and things like DNA and RNA, were sufficient to induce growth of new brain cells in animals when they were taken out of exercising animals and injected into animals that had not exercised. They actually found up to a 50% increase in new brain cells in animals that had been injected with these extracellular vesicles. What does all of this mean? When you exercise and activate your muscles, you produce a host of signals, as well as these extracellular vesicles that can reach into your brain and program these pathways that may contribute to the growth of new brain cells. We know exercise is maybe the most valuable thing we can do for brain health, but this suggests that there's a specific pathway as to why. What do I make from this information? This is why I prioritize exercise as much as I can each week, and why, in particular, I prioritize resistance training, because it may help to activate some of these pathways and release more of these molecules and things like extracellular vesicles that have been linked to the growth of new brain cells and an overall healthier brain. If this is interesting to you, make sure you're following this channel. I'm Dr. Austin Perlmutter. I'll talk to you again.